We're going to move on to the last matchup of the first round, which has Victoria Shaw, our 7th seed, against Scott Wu from Louisiana, our 10th seed. Okay, Victoria, if you could please tell everyone in the audience where you go to school and what grade you're in.
I go to Longfellow Middle School, and I'm in 8th grade.
Excellent. And Victoria, I'm just going to read this right off the card. It says, one interesting thing about myself is that I do not like to disclose unnecessary information about myself. So we're just going to have you test your buzzer then, because that...
Thank you.
All right. Very good. And Scott, if you could please introduce yourself by telling us where you go to school and what grade you're in.
I go to Glasgow Middle School, and I'm in 7th grade.
Excellent. And Scott, I believe that MATHCOUNTS runs in your family. I believe that your older brother, Neil, won the MATHCOUNTS national competition several years ago.
Yes.
Fantastic. Did he help you prepare for this?
Not really.
No. All right. Well, Scott, I have a few brothers myself, and so here's what we'll do for you. Because he didn't help you, if you win, we'll make sure that the trophy you win will be just a little bit bigger than the one we gave him a few years ago. So you can hold that over his head for the rest of his life, all right? Scott, if I could have you test your buzzer, please. Fantastic. All right, at this point, we are going to move on to the first question of our next matchup. And the question is, if the pattern shown continues, what is the letter in the 2010th position? Scott.
A.
A is the correct answer. Which means Scott has a 1-0 lead over Victoria as we head into the second question of our matchup. And the next question is, what is the value of 255? Scott.
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer. And Scott is now ahead 2-0. Moving on to the third question of our matchup. And the next question is, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 can be arranged to... Scott.
60.
60 is the correct answer. Which means that Scott has won that matchup.